Central Flying School has been the home to all of the flying displays for the Air Force since 1962. And the history of the Roulettes started in 1970 when we started flying the aerobatic display team with the Mackeys. And since then we've gone through 3 different aircraft types. We've had the Air Mackie, followed by the PC-9 and now the PC-21 since 2019.
Looking back, what I appreciate most is probably how we all came together as 4 individuals into one team. And that team, of course, was not only the pilots flying the aeroplanes, of which I was fortunate to be one, but it also included the people who maintained the aeroplanes, did the engineering, did the supply, all the colleagues involved in it. It became a team effort, which the Roulettes is.
In many respects, the Roulettes was, the first interaction a lot of the Australian public had with the RAAF and the ADF. And I think it's important that when you look at what they saw amazing teamwork, precision flying, a great deal of discipline. The displays looked dangerous to people, but I think people realised that it was done with an incredible amount of precision and planning.
The places we got to go, the people we got to meet, and to be with such a good group of talented pilots and maintenance crew. What a fantastic experience, something that I will never forget, and that I hold in great fondness in my heart.
50 years is a pretty important milestone, and it's quite impressive to think that 3 different aircraft now, 5 decades of performing for the Australian public and also the international scene as well is pretty special.
For the Air Force itself, it is a great recruiting tool. We get out there and we go to public events, air shows, even just smaller events. We do larger ones like the F1 and Avalon, but getting around to the small country towns as well is a really good way to showcase the Air Force.
Those displays which are held around the country, they make a big impact on aviation in Australia, and I just hope that the Roulettes just continue for another 50 years so that the impact, positive impact that it does have on displaying the skills, the Air Force as a career, as a PR, as a recruiting device, and as showing the population at large what they can expect from an Air Force, I think is so important that I just hope it continues to be so.
I hope to see another 50 years of the Roulettes where we can showcase to the wider community our precision flying and the advanced technologies of the Air Force.